How's it, guys? Today seems to be a good day. So we're at Juvinile Pier and we're looking for live bait that we can go and slide somewhere. We'll see if there's something right here in the river mouth quickly. Double up blacktail. Yeah, that's a good start. Nice blacktail. Yeah, there we go. Now, boys, big seas, big fish. That's what they say. I hope I don't get wet. We're gonna have to struggle to get this live bait out here, but we'll try for sure. I see we got a spectator from out the back line as well. Okay, guys, we've got two rods out, live blacktail. It's a struggle to get them through the sets, but they're out. So we're gonna try and see for a while what happens if there's any fish. The swells are really, really big when the sets come through. It's actually scary. That swell is right over the line. Let's hope the rod stays stuck and the bait stays out. Huge waves, man. So yeah, guys, yesterday didn't deliver anything on the live bait. Only got wet. I got my live bait scouts out on the rocks. See if they can get me a livey. The water looks lacquer here, man. See if we can slide something here. Okay, so that didn't work out nicely. So next best option, St. Michael's, out the front there. Where are we? Out the front, yeah, around the corner. There's a bit of a ledge. The lighters will see if they can get a livey there quickly, and then we'll go back and slide it somewhere. Guys, yeah, look at what we got. A nice shad. So, Shad is about. This is last year's product. Put him back quickly. It's good to see that the shad is showing up, even though they are small O's. So the lighties say on this ledge out the front, it's where they caught the shad. So it's a good sign. It means that we're going to have a good season coming up in the next couple of months. If the small ones are that size already from October, November's produce, it's good. It shows that they are doing their thing. Keeps on missing them. Yeah, a flaggy. So, yeah, it's a flaggy. So you're gonna take the hook out. For those who knows, flaggy got spikes on its gills. If you touch him, he pokes you. Just when I thought I had a livey, yeah, we get a wave garrick. Nice little low. Put him back, live another day. Yeah, the bigger fish Seems like they're on a hunger strike or something. So we'll keep ourselves entertained with the smaller O's. Low tide right now, so we're just gonna play a bit, get the time passed, and we'll see if we can hook a couple of proper carrows or something, and we'll go slide them Margate somewhere, maybe Margate Pier, I don't know. We'll see what the conditions look like, but for now, just to stay busy, we're gonna play with the smallers in the front here. Lots and lots and lots of small fish out the front as usual. There you go, guys. Sergeant Major, as I know them. Plentiful up in Richards Bay in the harbour. There are plenty of them. Yeah, double up carrows. A bit on the small side. I don't know what happened to the big boys. But yeah, they're full up. Too quick. Yeah, on. Ah, such rats. Nice little O. Yeah, well done. Yeah, double up. Blacktail, 2 shots, 2 fish. They are full up here. Yeah. Very nice mullet. On the day you leave the big rod at home, look at it. I could have put him out. Nice little O. Okay guys, last cast. See what else we can get. Time to prepare. High tide 6 o'clock tonight. We're gonna hit a different venue and see if we can maybe pull a decent fish for you guys. If they are around. Who knows? With a small shad in the vicinity, it shows something. So hopefully we'll get hooked up on something. Alright boys, last shot. Let's see what happens. So it goes. Okay guys, we are prepared as much as we can be. Late afternoon, 2 hours before high. And put a bait out here, maybe 2. We'll try 2 different things and we'll see how it goes. Guys, yeah, blacktail, proper one. That's a good live bait size, like a thicko. For a change, a better size. So guys, yeah, that side we put a dead mullet. He didn't survive. This side we put a dingle dangle with carantine and sardine fillet. So we'll see if there's something amongst the rocks that wants a fleshy bait, or there's something with a big fin or 2 to chow the mullet. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see. So yeah guys, the day has come to an end. We've tried everything in the last 2 or 3 days. We've fished about 20 hours. Today we fished about 9 out of today. It was a good day. And all we have to show for it is there's a couple of smallows and some slightly bigger smallows. But yeah, we're gonna see. Tomorrow we'll start out early. We'll Let's see if we can get a livey to slide it. This morning we were getting everything but the right size livey, all small fish. So yeah, nothing happening here, although the water looks good. You can see behind me. Guys, thank you so much for the subscribers. I've seen we've hit 1,800 apparently. I haven't seen it yet, but I've been informed. Thank you so much. It helps us, motivates us to get up in the morning. Not that easy, but yeah, we do. So guys, keep watching. Please support us. If you haven't, please hit the like buttons. It helps us with the promoting of the videos. Please guys, support us. We'll see you soon. Another beautiful day we have been given. We're going to try our best today to bring you something. So yesterday, when we were fishing, we came across a young man. He looked at us and eventually approached one of us and says, can we please help him? And he has never fished before in the ocean. So cameraman rigged him up. We tried to get him a fish, but unfortunately got stuck too many times. So we brought him here to St. Michael's this morning. We're going to show him how to rig it up. We're going to try and get this young man to catch a fish. I know it's not the big one that you're all waiting for, but we're going to teach a fisherman, and hopefully he'll become stuck on the hobby. I say, stone bream, net for you.
Yeah.
So guys, first pinky for me this year. I haven't caught a pinky this year, so we'll start off with a small one and see if we can break a record this year. So guys, nice mullet. They are thick here. We actually saw them in the waves and I specifically targeted them. They're just behind the rock here, a whole shoulder of them, full up. Cameraman on a mission. Nope, too quick. Now what would a day be without a Toby? Hey, these are always around, and look where I got him in the tail. They are so abundant. Man, unbelievable. Yeah, on. Yeah.
Oh, my wave carrick.
Baby wave carrick, yeah, true. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Ah, there you go. Blacktail. Okay guys, so we have taught him to cast and we have taught him how the bite feels and what needs to happen. So let's see if he can come right on his own. Toby. Yeah, everyone has to catch a Toby, right? Yeah. Nice mullet. I think with the tide pushing, they're trying to get into the river. Yeah, put him back. We can't keep him today. Ah, on. There we go. On. Roll. Yeah, come. Nice blacktail. Bigo. Yeah, there you go. You see? Anyone can fish. There you go. Better size wave carrick. Yeah. So yeah guys, St. Michael's Beach. If you want to teach someone, this is a place to be. You don't have to cast far, just come on the full tide, and then the fish are abundant. You can see them in the water. They are plentiful, and there's a lot of species here. So, and it's safe. The beach is right behind you, and it's shallow here. It's less than a meter deep. So if you do fall in here, you can stand up. There's a lot of fish, and we catch them in less than a meter of water. So you want to teach your kids, bring them here. This is a place to come and teach them, and it's safe. It's not on the pier, it's not high up, it's safe here.